Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide page on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Hiding a page on Squarespace can help you manage the visibility of your site's content without actually deleting it. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and click the account dashboard. That would lead you to the website builder or the website editor. And for you to be able to hide a specific page, all right, I want you to navigate to the left side where you can have all of these pages. For example, you want to hide this specific page right here. Click the forward button. And there's going to be a settings here. You see? The filter visibility when enabled will be visible in your store filters. All you have to do is switch that and that's going to be hiding a specific filter for your homepage. All right. You also have an option for the enable page wherein if you disable that, this page cannot be accessed by your site visitors. This applies to all items within the collection as well. All right. So that's one way for you to hide page on the Squarespace by limiting who can access the page. You also have an option to have a password because when a password is required, users with the administrator or website editor don't need a password, but of course the visitors will be not have the option to view this page. All right, so let me cancel this for now. I'm going back to the pages. Another option that you can do is click on the gear setting here. Now here on the not link option, you can also do the same because hiding a page on Squarespace can be an effective way to manage your website's content, enhance user experience, and maintain the quality and relevance of the information you present. It allows for flexibility in content management without permanently deleting any important material, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.